Hi, my name is Dr. Julia Lemmerhirt. I'm dermatologist, acne expert, and founder of the Finally Free from Acne method, a holistic way to help you heal acne from the inside out. And today I want to talk about boosting your digestive strength for healthy skin. So you've maybe heard before that the health of your digestive system is really important for not only your overall health, but especially for skin health, because really your skin is like your outer gut, so to speak. And Ayurveda has really helpful, easy to implement tips how to not only soothe digestive problems, but at the same time restore digestive power and the ability to digest well. And so if you suffer from inflammation on your skin, you may also suffer from inflammation in your digestive system. And so those tips will be really helpful for you. And I want to introduce you the 5 spices that help. And so these spices are even scientifically shown to reduce gas and bloating and to cool inflammation of the gastrointestinal wall and to relieve symptoms of heartburn, boost the work of the digestive enzymes, and, like speaking Ayurveda language, rekindling your digestive fire as well. So these spices are, one is coriander seeds. And I will, in the end, tell you how you can incorporate into your diet. So the coriander seeds, you may know the cilantro leaves, and the other part of it are the coriander seeds, and they have this special boost your digestive strength, but as well they have a cooling effect, so really helping with heartburn, for example. And then second is cardamom. So cardamom, there are also the seeds, but you can, if you want to cook with it, you can use the powder, and you can add it to food that has a little more acidity. So in traditional, like in India or in Turkey, they give cardamom into the coffee to reduce acidity of the food, and also helps balancing the blood sugar. So it's really helpful, for example, to put into your oatmeal as well, and it's a nice and sweet taste. And then third is cumin, the cumin seeds. They have a more spicy taste, or like a little bitter, I find it. And they really help reducing gas and bloating, and also attract the good microbes into your gut flora. So they're also really helpful, and they traditionally are used for dishes with lentils or legumes which have a more bloating effect on the digestive system. So, and if you cook with this spice, then you will reduce the risk of having pain or digestive problems afterwards if you don't tolerate legumes well. And then the fourth one is the fennel seeds. And fennel tea, you probably know, because of fennel tea, if you have belly pain, or it's used for kids and even babies who have gas and bloating. So it's really famous for this carminative effect. And as well, it's also a lymph mover. So this is another positive side effect. So fennel has been shown to be really helpful for healthy skin as well. And also, like milk production for breastfeeding mothers, it's also due to the lymph moving effect that it has. So fennel is really, really a good seed to use. And then the most potent one of the 5 is ginger, which is really like medicine for everything in Ayurveda. So it really helps rekindle your digestive fire, and it also tastes, spicy, but it has a cooling effect. So this is why it's so powerful. It does not heat the body like other spices. And it's really anti-inflammatory, attracts good gut bacteria, and really help restore digestive function. So these 5 spices, how can you use them? So I've mentioned you can cook with them, of course. So cook them with your vegetables or lentils to either make it taste better and help with digesting it better and decreasing gas and bloating, for example. And then you can also make a tea. So like you use the seeds and the fresh ginger and boil it a little bit with hot water and then let it sit for 10 minutes. And then you can drink this tea along with your meals or as well during the day. So if you have problems with digestion right now or feel you don't tolerate a lot of foods not well, then I would recommend that you try this really daily for a couple of weeks maybe and see how this will relieve your symptoms and will make you feel much better and help you digest better. And the third option, to use those spices, of course you can use them individually just for different dishes that you make, and you don't have to use them all together, although their potency is much higher if you combine all 5. You can also, and then you would use the dried version of ginger, and the other one are seeds, so they are dried anyway, and can grind them and put them into an empty capsule, like encapsulate them. You can buy those capsules and then put the spices in there and then just take them before each meal to help you with your digestion. I hope these tips were helpful, and until next time.